Hey, so I know that roller skating is intimidating, and I know that it seems really scary, especially going outside and not having the opportunity to go to the rink or go to any of the smooth surfaces that you're used to. But here's the thing, roller skating is incredible, and it's so hard, but it is totally worth every moment that you spend practicing and falling and getting up and continuing going. Now, I know it's hard, specifically being alone and going outside and having to skate. But here's the thing, you can put in some music, you're gonna rock it. The only way to get better at skating is to get out there and just start skating. So if you are sitting there and you have your roller skates and they're right next to you, put them on. Put them on right now. And if you can just put them on and get outside and just go a couple feet, and that's all you can do for today, that's fine. Then tomorrow, you're gonna put on your skates again and you're gonna go a little bit farther. You're gonna go to the end of the driveway. And then maybe the next day, you're gonna go down the street. And you're gonna be amazing at it. And you wanna know why I know you're gonna be amazing at it? Because I believe in you. And I know that if you keep working and you keep trying, that you're gonna be able to succeed at this. Because none of us started being amazing at roller skating. I started skating and I had no idea what I was doing. I put on my 2 skates for the first time and I fell all over the place. And guess what? 3 years in and I'm still falling all over the place, but I'm better than I was yesterday, and I'm better than I was a year ago, or a week ago, or a month ago. So here's the thing. You might be thinking, I can't start roller skating outside. People are going to laugh at me. I am in a bigger body, or I am older than people who usually roller skate are, or people are going to think that I look ridiculous. And here's the thing. What they have to say or think does not matter. They are too consumed in their own lives to even worry about what you're doing. And if they are overly concerned about what you're doing, then they don't have a life of their own. So think about you. Think about how awesome it feels that you got roller skates and that you're going to get to ride down the street. And it's going to be just, you're going to experience that feeling of flying and you're going to become addicted and it's going to be awesome. And you're going to come back. You're going to tell me all about it. But first, you have to put on those skates and you have to get out there. All right? You're going to get up. You're going to put on those skates. You're going to lace them up. You're going to get out there and you're going to say, Rebel told me to do this. I'm going to do it. And then if you fall, you're going to say, curse you, Rebel. And I'm going to say, get back up. And then you're going to get back up and you're going to keep skating. It's going to be amazing. Now, I know that this is hard for you. And I know that it is a new step that you're taking. And sometimes roller skating for us is something scary that we do to challenge who we are as people and to challenge our capabilities of our bodies and of our minds. And know that we see you. I see you. I know what you're doing and I'm so, so proud of you. If you get out there and you realize you're having a hard time and you need to keep watching some videos, you can go through some of the videos that make you feel a little bit better. You can rewatch this a million times to motivate you every time you get up and you go to skate. If you ever want to talk to me, I'm always here for you. I'm trying to always make content that's helpful for you. And so if you need more inspiration, you can go back, you can look through some of my videos. And if there's something that I haven't made that would really be helpful for you, don't hesitate to reach out or put it in the comments. I always read all of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'm making new videos every Tuesday just for you. And if you ever need any roller skate stuff, you can get it from planetrollerskate.shop. They have helmets, toe stops, roller skates, everything you need. And until next time, later skaters.